Your car usually warns you before something expensive happens. Problem is, most people hear a noise, turn up the radio, and hope it goes away. Here are 5 car noises you don't want to ignore. Our ASE Certified Technician here at 5th Gear Automotive Repair, Matt, is going to go over the 5 noises you shouldn't ignore.
So one, you got squealing pads or metal to metal grinding. That indicates you got low pad life. You need to stop in and get that checked out. Another one is humming or roaring coming from your wheel hubs. You'll notice that sometimes taking corners, you'll get a roaring noise, or it sounds like a tire noise. Maybe a wheel bearing going bad. Another one may be clunking or popping coming from the suspension going over bumps or taking corners. You're gonna wanna get that looked at because that'll take care of your tire wear. You'll get uneven tire wear, prolong the life of them by having your suspension checked out. Another one to look out for is squealing or chirping from your engine bay. Could indicate your belt is getting off track, maybe a water pump going bad, pulley going bad, or just as simple as a bad belt. With these hot temperatures coming up, you want to make sure that if the check engine light's flashing or a low coolant message comes up, you stop immediately and see what's going on and seek help for that. It's not good to drive around on that, could cause further damage.
So remember, grinding brakes, speed, bass humming, deep engine knocks, suspension clunks, belt squeals are 5 noises you do not want to ignore. Car will usually warn you before it fails. The key is to listen early. I do want to mention, a noise by itself is not a full diagnosis, but it's a clue. If the sound is getting louder, happens with braking, turning, bumps, or comes with a warning light, get it checked. Now, if your car is making a noise and you're not sure what it is, schedule a diagnostic appointment with 5th Gear Automotive Repair. We'll find the cause, explain what is happening, and help you fix the right thing.